So, did you get today? I just got my outfit. Wow, there's tape on here. There's tape on here.
You need scissors?
Yeah, okay, you go get scissors, Daddy.
Sure.
I think I've got it. Never mind, I've got it. Okay. We heard, but my package just came. I'm done with the sorting, and it's my little brother, of course. It's him. No, it's kind of weird, but now he's only 4. Okay, yeah, Daddy, I think I do need scissors.
Alright, I'm looking for them.
I'm just gonna try to get this out. I have an easier
Let
one.
me show you. I just want to show you.
Okay.
Alright, she's coming back. Make sure you put the camera on her.
Okay, so let's get it.
It's gonna keep box.
And then here's the box.
Nope.
So it's in here. So let's just get it out. Okay, here's the charm.
Oh, it's another farm.
Yeah, charm. They come with all my American Girl outfits. So here's the charm.
Make sure you put it on
And here's the adorable, lovely sweater sugar on it, which is lovely. Here's the little jeans, which are lovely.
What was the bottom frayed?
Here's a lovely shoe. Just lovely. This little bow's on the back, which is super. Last but not least is this lovely headband, and it's pink. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep the outfit in here every time. And it is the what's this? What are the ordering stuff? Oh, and then it is I think it says it, but it says complete sugar outfit on it somewhere. And yeah, I just got the complete sugar outfit. Yay!
Alright, Chase, cancel record on that.